this video, we are discussing a very interesting trigonometric identities question. And the question is, if sine to the power 4x divided by 2 plus cos to the power 4x divided by 3 equals 1 over 5, then show that sine to the power 8x over 8 plus cos to the power 8x over 27 equals 1 over 125. At first, it looks difficult, but we'll try to break it down into manageable pieces. So let's get started without wasting much time. So we are given with sine to the power 4x over 2 plus cos to the power 4x over 3 equals 1 over 5. As we are given with sine and cos, we remember a very important identity between sine and cos, which is sin⁴x plus cos⁴x equals 1. That means sin⁴x is same as 1 minus cos⁴x, or sine to the power 4x is same as 1 minus cos⁴x whole square. And on the right hand side, if I use the identity a minus b whole square, we'll get 1 plus cos to the power 4x minus 2 cos⁴x. That means we can replace sine to the power 4x with 1 plus cos to the power 4x minus 2 cos⁴x, and we have divided by 2 plus cos to the power 4x divided by 3 equals 1 over 5. And by taking LCM on the left hand side, you'll get 3 plus 3 cos to the power 4x minus 6 cos square x plus 2 cos to the power 4x divided by 6 equals 1 over 5. Simplifying it further, we will get 5 cos to the power 4x minus 6 cos⁴x plus 3 divided by 6 equals 1 over 5. And if we multiply the left hand side with 5 and the right hand side with 6, we will get 25 cos to the power 4x minus 30 cos⁴x plus 15 equals 6. And if we simplify it further by bringing 6 on the left hand side, we'll get 25 cos to the power 4x minus 30 cos⁴x plus 9 equals 0. And if I use cos⁴x as a, that means cos to the power 4x is a square. So the equation can be changed as 25a square minus 30a plus 9, which is nothing but same as 5a minus 3 whole square. That means we can write 5a minus 3 equals 0, or a equals 3 over 5. A is nothing but cos⁴x, so we have the value of cos⁴x as 3 over 5. And as cos⁴x is 3 over 5, and we know that sin⁴x is same as 1 minus cos⁴x, so it is 1 minus 3 over 5 or 2 over 5. So now we have the value of cos⁴x as 3 over 5 and sin⁴x as 2 over 5. And now let's take a look at what we wanted to prove. So we wanted to prove that sine to the power 8x over 8 and cos to the power 8x over 27 equals 1 over 125. So here in the left hand side, sine to the power 8 x over 8 plus cos to the power 8x over 27 can be written as sin² to the power 4 over 8 and cos² to the power 4 over 27. And sin² value is 2 over 5, so 2 over 5 to the power 4 divided by 8 plus 3 over 5 is to the power 4 over 27. And simplifying, we'll get 16 over 625 divided by 8 plus 81 over 625 divided by 27, and we can cancel out 8 and 16 and 27 and 81. So we will get 2 and 3. So we'll have 2 over 625 plus 3 over 625, which is same as 5 over 625 or 1 over 125. And that is what we wanted to prove. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.